Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are aspiring for Neet, CDS, SSC, UPSC, PCS or any other competitive exam where bio comes, then this video is meant for you. In this video, I'll discuss few questions on blood, so it will be helpful to you. We are starting the video with question number 1 and it is asking us which type of tissue is blood. So blood falls in the category of fluid connective tissue because blood is fluid in nature. Question number 2 is asking what are the components of blood. So the right answer is matrix, plasma and the formed elements. What is the color of plasma? It is straw. How much percentage of blood composes plasma? Means it is asking how much percentage is included in plasma itself. So right answer is 55%. Name the major proteins that are present in plasma. It's very important question. Here I have written 3 proteins and all the names are important individually also. First name is fibrinogen, then globulins, then albumins. Out of these 3, fibrinogen is the one that helps in clotting. Globulins are the ones that are generally antibodies in nature because they are of globular shape. That is why they are categorized in the globulins. The other question that I have taken is just a revision question that we have discussed in question number 5. Name the proteins that help in clotting. So whenever we get injured, actually clotting happens because of the proteins in the plasma. And what are these proteins known as? These are known as fibrinogens. What is the function of globulins in blood? So they help in defense mechanisms. Defense means they protect your body from the antigens, pathogens or germs. And what are they? In what form they are present in our body? They are formed in the form of antibodies. Which minerals are present in plasma? Answer is sodium, calcium, magnesium, bicarbonate and chloride ions. Are clotting factors present in plasma in active form? No, they are not in the active form. Whenever we get injured, at that time they become active and they do a series of reactions which are known as cascade reactions which help in the clotting of blood. What is serum? Very important question. How you can differentiate between serum and plasma? So serum is plasma but clotting factors are not included into it. I hope you are liking the video. Please watch it continuously till end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. We have reached question number 11th and it is asking us what are the formed elements of blood. So we have 3 types of cells. These are erythrocytes, leukocytes and the platelets. Formed elements make how much percentage of blood? So it is 45%. Remember, we have plasma also and we have formed elements also, right? Formed elements are making how much percentage? 45%, and plasma is making 55%. Which is the most abundant formed element of the blood? Answer is erythrocytes. Question number 14 is asking what is the other name of erythrocytes? Answer is RBC or red blood corpuscles. Question number 15. Erythrocytes are synthesized by the process of, it is known as hemopoiesis. Actually, hemopoiesis is a wide term in which we talk about synthesis of RBCs, synthesis of WBCs and synthesis of platelets also, right? So this term can be used for erythrocyte synthesis also, and if in the answer they have given you erythropoiesis, then this will also be the answer. If both of these terms comes, hemopoiesis and erythropoiesis, then you are going to pick up this one because in this the synthesis of only erythrocytes takes place, whereas in hemopoiesis we talk about the synthesis of all the formed elements. Question number 16 is asking what is the average number of RBCs in a healthy human being? Answer is 5 to 5.5 million RBCs per cubic millimeter. The unit is also very important. Like if they ask you that how much in the area they are present. So you must remember the unit is cubic millimeter, and 5 to 5.5 it is in million. Remember this. Where are RBCs synthesized in the body? They are synthesized in the red bone marrow. And what is bone marrow? Bone marrow is the cavity of a bone. The enucleated formed element of our blood. Enucleated means the nucleus is missing. And what actually nucleus does? It is the control center of the cell. So actually RBCs or red blood cells or erythrocytes are the formed elements of the blood that are without nucleus. What is the shape of RBC? So they are biconcave. Question number 20 is asking what is the color of RBC? So RBCs are red in color. Why are they being red in color? Because they contain a protein pigment which is known as hemoglobin. Question number 21 is just a revision question because I have already discussed it with question number 20. Why are RBCs red colored? So they are red colored because they contain hemoglobin, and in this the heme is actually the iron part. Question number 22. What is the right amount of hemoglobin in a healthy human being? However, this varies with age. But in general, if the question is asking, then you need to say, 12 to 16 grams per 100 ml of blood. Question number 23 is asking what is the lifespan of RBCs? So lifespan means the time period for which they are alive. It is 90 to 120 days. Question number 24. In which part of the body destroyed RBCs go? So the right answer is spleen, which is also being named as graveyard of RBCs. So you need to learn the synonym which is used for spleen. Question number 25. Which formed element acts as a soldier of your body? Answer is WBC or white blood corpuscles. Remember, corpuscle word is used only in the body when we are talking about circulatory system and not for any other organ system in your body. Do WBCs contain nucleus? The answer is yes. What are the two categories of WBCs? So they could be granulocyte or agranulocyte. Suppose this is the WBC and this is its nucleus. So if in the cytoplasm granules are there, then WBC will fall in the category of granulocyte. And if there will be no such granule, then we will write the term agranulocyte. In biology, whenever we add in the beginning A, it means absent. So when granules are absent, we have written agranulocyte. Question number 28. What is the range of WBCs in a healthy human being? It is 6,000 to 8,000 per cubic millimeter. WBCs are also known as leukocytes. Very important. Name 3 granulated leukocytes. Answer is neutrophils, basophils and eosinophils. You can remember them with the cartoon character Ben 10. So Ben means B-E-N. Here B means basophils, E means eosinophils and N means neutrophils. I hope you have liked these 30 questions. Stay tuned for the upcoming video on the blood itself. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so.